योग हमारी पुरातन पारंपरिक अमूल्य देन है। योग मन व शरीर, विचार व कर्म, संयम व उपलब्धि की एकात्मता का तथा मानव व प्रकृति के बीच सामंजस्य का मूर्त रूप है।
Sit straight with your back, neck and head in a straight line. Gently close your eyes. We shall begin by chanting Om 3 times. Inhale deeply. Om. Inhale deeply. Om. Inhale deeply. Om. Keep your eyes closed. Let us start with a prayer. Adopt Namaskara Mudra and repeat after me.
Asato ma satgamaya tamaso ma jyotirgamaya mrityorma mrutangamaya Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Feel the resonance of the prayer emanating all around you. Slowly bring your hands back onto your thighs and gently open your eyes. Come to standing position. We shall start with hands in and out breathing. Bring both your arms in front of your chest, palms touching. Make sure to synchronize your breathing with the movement. Inhale and spread your arms apart. Exhale, bring the arms back together. We shall do this for 10 rounds. Inhale, open your arms out, fill your lungs with air. Exhale, contract the arms back. Inhale, spread open. Nicely open your arms out. Exhale, bring your arms back together. Inhale, open. And exhale, bring the arms back together. Inhale, open the arms out. Exhale, bring them back. Inhale, open out. Exhale, bring them back. Inhale, open the arms out. Nicely breathe in. Exhale, bring your arms back together. Inhale, open out. And exhale, bring them back. Last 2 rounds. Inhale, open your arms out. Exhale, bring them back. Inhale, open out. And exhale, bring your arms back together. Slowly lower your arms back down to the side of your body. Stand in Shitala Tadasana, legs apart, and relax. Now we shall practice loosening exercises. Bring your feet together once more. We shall start with Hasta Uttanasana and Pada Hastasana. Inhale, straighten your arms up and bend backwards. Exhale, bend forward and try to touch your nose to the knee. Inhale, come up, bend back, exhale forward. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale forward. Inhale up, exhale forward. Inhale, bend back. Exhale forward. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. And slowly come back to standing position. Come to Shitala Tadasana. Legs apart, arms apart. Come to Sthiti. Spread the legs shoulder width apart. Raise your hands, coming up to the chest. Fingers pointing towards each other. Inhale, and as you exhale, twist towards the opposite side, releasing the elbow straight. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, repeat on the other side. Inhale, back to center. We shall repeat this practice 3 times on each side. Come to Sthiti. With your feet together, back straight, clench the right hand to form a fist with the thumb tucked in. Holding it behind the back, place the left hand on the right wrist, both in contact with the back. Breathe deeply through your nose while bending backwards as far as possible. Maintain this posture for a few moments. Then, while exhaling, bend forward and try to touch the knees with the head. Repeat this practice several times, 5 times to begin with. Come to Sthiti. Stand with your feet wide open, double the width of your shoulders. Close the fists with the thumb inside and raise the arms over the head with your biceps touching your ears and crossing each other at the wrists. Pull the upper part of the body upwards while inhaling and bend forward while exhaling, allowing the entire back to be stretched and toned up. Move to the left side, rise up and bend back, moving to the right side while inhaling and coming to the starting point in between the feet, giving the waistline a circular movement while exhaling. Now move to the right side to take the same circular movement but perform this Sarvanga Gati very slowly. Continue the same practice and repeat about 3 rounds on each side. Gently open your eyes. Come to standing position. We shall now practice Surya Namaskara or Sun Salutation. Come to the front of your mat and adopt Namaskara Mudra by joining your palms together. Gently close your eyes and let us chant the prayer. Hiranmayena patrena satyasyapi hitam mukham Tattvam pushanna pavruno Satya dharmaya drishtaye Om Hram Mitraya Namaha. Inhale, bring the arms forward and bend back. And gently exhale, bring the arms forward. Come down from the root of the spine. Place the palms beside your feet and try to touch your nose to the knee. Inhale, right leg back. Push the hips forward and look up. Exhale, take the other leg back and try to keep the body in a straight line. Now, exhale, come down to Shashankasana. Bring your knees down and try to touch your buttocks to your heels. Inhale, exhale, knees down, chest down and chin down to the ground. Ashtanga Namaskara. Inhale, bring the body up in Bhujangasana, stretching the arms straight. Now, tuck the toes in. Exhale and come to Parvatasana. Try not to move your hands from their position. Inhale once more and exhale, come to Shashankasana. Try to touch your head to the ground. Inhale once more, bring the right leg forward between the palms. Push the hips forward and look up. Exhale, bring the left leg forward. Come to Padahastasana. Try to keep the knees as straight as possible. Inhale, come up, raise the arms up, bend the body back as much as possible. And exhale, come back to Sthiti Namaskarasana. Om Hreem Ravaye Namaha. Inhale, bend the body back, stretch the arms up behind you. Exhale, bend forward from the root of the spine. Try to touch your nose to the knee. Inhale, right leg back. Look up, push the body forward. Exhale, both legs back. Keep the body as straight as possible. Inhale, exhale, come down to Shashankasana. Inhale, exhale, knees, chest and chin on the ground. Inhale, come up, Bhujangasana, feel the bend in your back. Exhale, come to Parvatasana. Push the shoulders in. Inhale, exhale, come back to Shashankasana, rest the body. Inhale, bring the right leg forward. Push forward, look up. Exhale, bring the left leg forward. Nose to the knee, back straight. Inhale, raise the arms up, bend back. And exhale, Namaskarasana. Om Hroom Suryaya Namaha. Inhale, arms up, bend back nicely. Exhale, bend forward from the root of the spine. Try to touch the forehead to the knee. Inhale, right leg back. Look up. Exhale, both legs back. Keep the body straight. Inhale, exhale, knees down, relax in Shashankasana. Inhale, exhale, knees, chest and chin on the ground. Inhale, come up. Exhale, come up, Parvatasana. Inhale, exhale, Shashankasana. Inhale, right leg forward between the palms, look up. Exhale, both legs forward. Keep the back straight. Inhale, bring the arms up. Bend back as much as possible. Exhale, Namaskarasana. Om Hraim Bhanave Namaha. Inhale, bring the arms up, bend the body back. Exhale, bend forward from the root of the spine, bring your palms next to your feet. Inhale, right leg back, push the pelvis forward, look up. Inhale, left leg back, try to keep the body in one line. Inhale, exhale, bring the knees down and relax in Shashankasana. Inhale, exhale, bring the body forward, knees, chest and chin on the ground. Inhale, come up to Bhujangasana, bend back, tuck the toes under. Tuck the toes once more and exhale, Parvatasana. Inhale, exhale, bring the knees down, relax in Shashankasana. Inhale, come up, right leg forward between the palms, look up. Exhale, both legs forward, Padahastasana. Inhale, come up, bring the arms up, bend back, and exhale, come back to Namaskara Sthiti. Om Hraum Khagaya Namaha. Inhale, bring the arms up, bend back nicely. Exhale, bend forward, bend from the root of the spine. Inhale, bring the right leg back and look up. Exhale, take both legs back. Keep the body in a straight line. Inhale, exhale, knees down and relax in Shashankasana. Inhale, exhale, knees, chest and chin, Ashtanga Namaskara. Inhale, come up in Bhujangasana, tuck the toes down. Tuck the toes under, exhale and come up in Parvatasana. Push the shoulders in. Inhale, exhale, back down in Shashankasana. Inhale, right leg forward, Ashwasanchalanasana. Exhale, both legs forward. Try to flatten the abdomen onto the thighs. Inhale, come up. And exhale, Namaskara Sthiti. Om Hraha Pushne Namaha. Hasta Uttanasana, raise the arms up above the body, bend back. Bend forward, Padahastasana, bring your hands to your feet. Ashwasanchalanasana, right leg back. Push the hips forward, look up. Tulasana, both legs back, bring the body in a straight line. Shashankasana, knees down, hips on the heels. Rest the head down. Ashtanga Namaskara, knees, chest and chin towards the ground, elbows tucked towards the body. Bhujangasana, come up, feel the stretch in the lower back. Parvatasana, feel the tension in the arms and shoulders. Shashankasana once more. Relax. Ashwasanchalanasana, right leg forward, push the hips forward. Padahastasana, try to have your belly flat onto the thighs. Hasta Uttanasana, raise the arms up above the body. And Pranamasana or Namaskara Sthiti. Om Hram Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. Hasta Uttanasana. Raise the arms up. Push the back forward. Padahastasana. Bend from the root of the spine, flattening your abdomen onto the thighs, forehead to the knee. Inhale back, Ashwasanchalanasana. Bring both legs back in Tulasana or plank posture, keeping the body straight, engaging the core. Shashankasana, knees down, relax the body. Ashtanga Namaskara, knees, chest and chin, elbows tucked in. Look at the tip of your nose. Come up in Bhujangasana, bend the body back, flatten the toes. Parvatasana, tuck the toes under and come up, hips to the sky. Shashankasana, knees down, hips down on the heels, forehead on the ground. Ashwasanchalanasana, right leg forward between the palms, push the hips forward and look up. Padahastasana, forehead to the knee. Hasta Uttanasana, bring the arms up above the head and come back to Pranamasana. Om Hrim Marichaye Namaha. Hasta Uttanasana, raise the arms up, inhale nicely. Exhale, bend forward, Padahastasana. Try to keep the palms next to your feet. Ashwasanchalanasana, take the right leg back, firmly place your hands down on the ground. And come to Tulasana, take the other leg back and place the body in a plank posture. Inhale, exhale, knees down, relax in Shashankasana. Now come to Ashtanga Namaskara, knees, chest and chin on the ground. Look at the tip of the nose. Inhale, come up in Bhujangasana, tuck the toes down. Exhale, come to Parvatasana. Push the shoulders in, feel the tension in the shoulders, hips towards the sky. Shashankasana. Inhale, come up to Ashwasanchalanasana, right leg forward, palms down on the ground. Push the hips forward. Bring the left leg forward, Padahastasana. Inhale, come up, Hasta Uttanasana and Namaskara Sthiti. Om Hrum Adityaya Namaha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax completely in Shashankasana. 6, 7, 8, 9. Relax again in Shashankasana. Bring the mind inwards. 10, 11, 12. Come to Pranamasana. Om Hraim Savitre Namaha. 1, 2. Bring the mind inwards. 3, 4, 5. Shashankasana. Relax completely. 6, 7, 8, 9. Bring the mind inwards. 10, 11, 12. And come to Namaskara Sthiti. Om Hraum Arkaya Namaha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Rest in Shashankasana. Bring the mind inwards. Relax completely. 6, 7, 8, 9. Once more rest. Bring the mind inwards. Calm down your breathing. 10, 11, and 12. Come back to Namaskara Sthiti. Om Hraha Bhaskaraya Namaha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax completely in Shashankasana. 6, 7, 8, 9. Relax again in Shashankasana. Bring the mind inwards. 10, 11, 12. Come to Pranamasana. Stand erect in Tadasana. Inhale and spread the feet 3.5 to 4 feet apart. Extend the arms, keeping them in line with the shoulders. Exhale, turn the entire right leg out from the head of the thigh and turn the left foot inwards without disturbing the trunk. Take a normal breath. Exhale, extend the trunk and the right arm down and place it on the shin or right ankle. Extend the left arm up and look at the outstretched palm. Stay in this position for 20 to 30 seconds with normal breathing. Inhale